In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox not joining a game on your mobile device. If you've ever encountered this frustrating issue, you're not alone. Many Roblox users have faced challenges when their game doesn't launch as expected. But don't worry, I'm here to help you get back to your game smoothly. First off, let's confirm that you're using a stable internet connection. Often, connectivity issues can prevent Roblox from joining games. Ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal or, alternatively, you can switch to mobile data to check if that resolves the issue. If you find that your internet connection is not the problem, we can move on to other solutions. Clearing the cache on your Roblox app can often resolve glitches. On most mobile devices, you'll want to go to your settings, find the Apps or Applications section, and locate Roblox in the list. Once there, look for the option to clear the cache. This action won't affect your saved games or settings but will simply remove temporary files that might be causing the issue. If clearing the cache doesn't do the trick, consider updating the Roblox app. Head over to your App Store and see if there's an update available for Roblox. Outdated versions can sometimes cause problems when trying to join games. Make sure your app is up to date, as updates often include fixes for known bugs. In case updating the app didn't solve the problem, try restarting your mobile device. This step might seem simple, but it can effectively reset connections and processes that might be interfering with your game joining. It's always a good idea to restart your device before moving on to more complicated troubleshooting steps. Sometimes, reinstalling the Roblox app can be the most straightforward solution. Uninstall the app from your mobile device, then visit your App Store and reinstall it. This process ensures you have a fresh version of Roblox, free from any potential corruption or errors that could be stopping you from joining a game. If you've tried all these steps and are still facing issues, it might be worth checking Roblox's server status. Visit Roblox's official status page or follow their social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server problems. If there's an issue on their end, you may need to wait until it's resolved. Finally, if none of these solutions work, reaching out to Roblox's support team might be your best move. Provide them with as much information as possible regarding your issue, like the device you're using and when the problem occurs. They can offer more personalized troubleshooting steps. I hope this guide helps you get back into the world of Roblox without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks just like this one. See you next time.